Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So Ringke approached me to review few of their products, which includes this premium styling bezel for my Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Active first generation. So let's get started. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular videos like this one, smartwatch and smartphone reviews, tech tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find categorized videos for various content we post on this channel, where you'll find an entire playlist exclusively for Galaxy Watch Active with 27 plus videos, so be sure to check it out. Ringke, who develops premium and awesome accessories for smartwatches and smartphones, reached out to me to review few of their products like this Ringke premium styling bezel for my Galaxy Watch Active 2 and 1. Just so you guys know, I was not influenced by any means to bias my review, and Ringke has sent me out two of their bezels to review, one of which is the glossy black styling bezel for Galaxy Watch Active first generation 40mm, and my personal favorite is the premium knurling engraved styling bezel for the Active 2 44mm, which is just stunningly attractive. It's not just these, they have a variety of bezel stylings for a lot of smartwatches, including Fitbit Versa. In fact, if you search for bezel stylings for Samsung smartwatches, you'll definitely stumble upon their products on Amazon. They offer a variety of color and styling choices as shown over here. All of their bezels are made of stainless steel and are quite strong and durable, and relatively easy to install. Now the one I have are currently priced at around 19 Canadian dollar on Amazon. However, price may vary depending on your location and any discounts they are having. But to me the price seems reasonable for the quality you get, which you will notice later on during the video. Please feel free to check the direct Amazon link to purchase this bezel in the description of this video. So let's start with unboxing. And if you have been following me regularly, you know that I'm a big fan of minimalistic and eco-friendly packaging, and for both these categories Ringke stands above and beyond my expectation. Just look at the sassy packaging, and to top it up, it's recyclable. Let's open the glossy black bezel for my Active first generation. The packaging even has a soft foam padding to prevent damages to the bezel during the shipment. So it's basically a stainless steel ring precisely carved to fit the desired watch exquisitely. There is a bit of a guide on how to install the bezel at the back of the holder, which will be apparent when I go ahead and install it. So if you pay close attention, this bezel has a cutout for the buttons, so when installing you have to keep this in mind and align the buttons accordingly. Before peeling off the plastic stickers, let me place it on the watch, and let's go ahead and open the other bezel. So this one also has a soft foam padding, but this one is just spectacular. This bezel, unlike the other one, has two cutouts for the buttons, so I have to be a little bit more accurate during the installation process. Now both these bezels are super lightweight, you won't even feel it, but here's the exact weight: 4.63 grams for the Active 2 bezel and 1.76 gram for the Active 1 bezel. Now I really appreciate Ringke not being extremely heavy on branding. As you see, there is a tiny logo at the 12 o'clock position, which reminds you that during the installation keep it on the top, and at the bottom at the 6 o'clock position on the edge you will see their full logo, which is barely noticeable, but hey, their product is significantly noticeable. Now let's start with the installation process. With any such installation, you need to make sure that the surface is clean and dust free. I have used this optical lens cleaner spray solution, which is also anti-static, but you can do it with any alcohol swab FYI, it was not included in the box, however it would be really nice if Ringke could include one. Just make sure to use a microfiber cleaning cloth, and please do not use the regular Kleenex as they do add microfiber dust. So once the screen is all clear to go, I would say role play as many times as you need to before peeling off the stickers. Make sure that the logo is facing down and align the button cutouts accurately. For me, I don't feel the need of removing the wristband, but if you feel that it's in your way, definitely go ahead and remove it. Once you have role play enough and you feel pretty confident, just peel the sticker off and put it on. It would be a good idea to give a gentle push to attach it firmly on the watch. Now let's go ahead and install the other one. This one has 5 adhesive stickers. It makes sense because it has a deeper edge unlike the other one. So start with peeling the main layer off and then follow the sequence. Once all the stickers are removed, align the bezel with the logo at the 12 o'clock position and make sure that the button cutouts are properly positioned and snap it on. Again, a good idea to apply a gentle pressure. So now that the bezels are on, let's talk about aesthetics and other important details. Right off the back, the knurling engraved styling bezel looks fantastic with the contrast black color of the watch, and this metal stainless steel band adds on to the look. By the way, I have done a full review of this metal band which is also by Ringke, and it's linked up here in case if you guys want to check it out once you're done watching this video. This combo makes my Active 2 look stunning. Let me put it on my wrist and show it to you guys. Let me take off the watch off my wrist. On the other hand, this black bezel on my Active 1st generation 40mm does not stand out, but it is noticeable. Both of these bezels are fully functional and does not affect the rotating bezel or the button clicks. Let me show it to you. Does not even affect the charging. And it's obviously not in the way to remove the wristband. Now in terms of protection, both of these bezels will protect the body and screen from a fall impact, but I don't think it will directly protect the screen from an impact. So I would still get a screen protector to fully protect the screen. There is this raised lip which will protect the watch from a fall impact. In terms of water resistance, Ringke has this picture on their website which says they have used 3M double coated tape to have a strong bond even in the water, and they do say that repeated removal may lower the adhesive performance and allow up to 12 hours for the adhesive to fully set. So that being said, it's not a good idea to take the bezel off. So in my opinion, to wrap it all up, this is the pinnacle of styling your Active 2. Just look at my Active 2. From what it was, it now looks like a premium smartwatch. So for me, it's just undoubtedly worth it. But if you're someone who is very rough with handling your smartwatch, which ideally you should not be with a smartwatch, but if you are, maybe it's not for you. And one last thing, keep in mind it's a bezel. It does not have a screen protector built in, as I have seen a lot of reviews where people are just disappointed as it does not have a screen protector built in, whereas in the first place the name itself says for it, it's a bezel. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.